I want to buy a house. I know I'm going to get approved. Can we start looking at houses? If we look at houses and we're not pre-approved, we're just looking. So if you're serious, you got to get pre-approved. You got to know how much of a home you actually qualify for. What's your purchasing power? One of the key questions that you need to ask yourself is, what is a monthly payment that I will feel comfortable having? Because you can get pre-approved for $1 million. It doesn't mean you want an $8,000 mortgage payment. So as I'm eating a avocado toast, talk to a mortgage professional. Not one loan fits everybody. There's loans for first-time buyers. There's down payment assistance loans for those that qualify. There's VA loans. There's conventional loans. There's loans for self-employed. There's loans for individuals that have an ITN number. It may require a bigger down payment, but there's a loan for everybody. So if you're really serious about buying a house, get pre-approved first. Find out how much you qualify. Your monthly mortgage payment is going to be with principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. The goal is to be able to enjoy the house that you're going to be buying, not have to work 4 jobs just to pay the mortgage. A couple of things you have to take into account when you're buying a house is, how much out-of-pocket money do I need? Regardless of the type of loan you get, I recommend that you do a home inspection no matter what. Don't try to save that money. I've seen a lot of cases where the buyer wants to save that $300-400 and they call their friend who is an inspector. They end up missing a lot of things. We close escrow only for them to realize that the roof was bad, the electrical panel was bad, there was a major leak, but because we didn't do a home inspection, we could have negotiated repairs, a lower credit, or we could have simply backed out of the deal. But because we decided to waive the home inspection, now you basically inherited the previous owner's headaches. Every home that my family and I have purchased, guess what? We've done a home inspection so that we know what we're buying. It's like buying a used car with 100,000 miles. How's the transmission? How are the brakes? How are the tires? How's the engine? You have to know this ahead of time. So never waive the home inspection if you're planning on living in the house. Usually the home inspection is about $300 to $500 depending on the square footage of the home. Another expense that you will have is an appraisal. If you're not going to buy the house cash, most likely there will be an appraisal on the home. The appraisal is usually anywhere between $500 to $750. Again, give and take. And the home inspection fee and the appraisal fee are non-refundable. So if for whatever reason you decide to cancel the deal, home inspection and appraisal fee are non-refundable. Those are the only 2 things that you have to take care of besides your down payment and any closing costs that the seller is not going to pay. If you have any questions about purchasing a home, what should you do first? What lender should I use? My consultations are always free. I work with some of the best lenders in the business. I've been in the game for 20 years. I've helped over 1,700 families buy, sell, relocate. So I got you.